Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently at Snapchat. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto your Bitmoji profile icon. Next, what you want to do is to come up to the top right hand corner and click onto settings. Then all you need to do is just scroll down slightly until you see the option for appearance. Press into this, and this is where we can actually come to enable dark mode. So all you need to do is to click on always dark. Go back, and as you can see, it's set to dark mode. So that's it. That is how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.